Good day everyone, I'm John Guzman. My activity 2. Should there be structure regulation on social media platforms? Why are or why not, what ways can it be regulated more? Ang sagot ko po is yes, there must be structured regulations on social media platforms since a large number of people fall victim of the fake news, cyberbullying provides and other negative specific of social media usage. It goes reach out saying that social media is a wonderful resources of communication, education, and entertainment. However, without effective management, these powerful resources may be used for spreading negative information among its readily, especially susceptible to church aspect are viewing stress, who are likely to get involved in a dangerous trans or accept misinformation due to the amount of time they spend online. And yun lang po, thank you